Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today I'm so ecstatic to be bringing to you a boy-themed baby shower based on a nursery rhyme that has been around for ages. And just by looking at the decor, can you pause the video and tell me what it is? Okay, you guessed it right. It is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I absolutely love when my clients bring to me very unique themes and ideas. It really challenges my creativity, and it's such a pleasure for me to be able to bring their dreams into fruition. So with that being said, we're going to start with the dessert table. I absolutely loved all of the treats for the dessert table, and I will be sharing a few tips with you guys in this portion as well. If you haven't seen my video on how to set up a dessert table for a party or an event, I will leave that link down below so you guys can check it out. But one of the things that I wanted to highlight from this video is not only the amazing treats made by Hot Mama's Bakery. The cake was created by Stacy Berriman, but I wanted to show you guys how I incorporated home decor. So the little candelabra pieces that you see there, the candle holder, that is actually a piece from Ross, and I just kind of rested the candy apples on that, and I covered it with plastic so it would be food safe. And I got the charger that you see here from Michael's, and the other pieces, I think I shared that with you guys before. You can find them at TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I also included 2 bookshelves that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and then the little clouds that you see here as well to add a little accent decor to the table. But you could definitely achieve that look by adding home decor in from, you know, any of your home decor stores. So for the guest table, I decided to keep it very clean and very simple. We have the king and queen chairs and the balloon arch, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys more on how to create spaces like this in the upcoming Luxe Academy. So if you are interested in becoming an event planner or doing things for your family or friends on a small scale, I will leave that link down below as well. Seats are limited. For the balloon centerpieces, I wanted to do something very out of the box, and I thought these were really cute, the little moons and stars, and I got these on Amazon, and I will leave that link down below as well. And I wanted to use the color like a really light blue and the gold, and I just thought that was really nice and very ethereal and heavenly. So I just really loved that. And because it was a boy, I wanted to keep things a little bit more simple than I typically do. So there is an overview of all the centerpieces. ERF Bands are an awesome option when you're doing events such as this. I love to use them for larger events, and also I like to use them for like events that are for males. So I absolutely love that because you don't have to like tie the bow, and I think that is a perfect pop of color to your chairs. Now, if you keep your eyes open, you can find some amazing chargers at the Dollar Tree. And for those of you guys who do not have a Dollar Tree near you, you can go online, and now they have it where you can kind of order exactly what you need and you don't have to order the entire bulk. So that is an awesome deal. A lot of the chargers that I've seen lately, I've also seen them in Pier 1 and Michael's for you know, 3, 4, 5, 6 times the cost. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for those great deals. Into the head table, I wanted to share with you guys some of the details there. You can find these items at Posh Party Supplies. I absolutely love these plates. I love the utensils because they look just like real china. It's like a faux china, and it's just so elegant, and it adds such an elegance and sophistication to your tablescape. So I will leave their link down below as well. Creating organic balloon arches can add so much flair and so much flavor to a room. I love the fact that you can incorporate the different colors to add that pop of color to your space. You can add them for weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, you name it. They are pretty much everywhere now. Like, balloons are all the rave, and we will definitely be covering more of this in the upcoming Luxe Academy. If you guys are interested in attending any of my classes, be sure to visit me at melanieturner.design/events. I love it when the beautiful and glowing moms to be matches the decor. I absolutely loved her gown. She looked so gorgeous, you guys. So there you have it, you guys, the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby shower. I absolutely love the way everything turned out. So clean, so crisp, so gorgeous. And I love the fact that you could carry this theme into the nursery for the baby. I absolutely love that. So I would love for you guys to comment below and tell me what themed shower or birthday party or wedding you'd like to see me do next down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, I will be at the Birmingham Home Show on February 15th and 16th. I would love to meet you guys. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Okay, you guys, I'm not sure how I forgot this, but tomorrow I am dropping my very first event planner. It's called The Luxurious Planner. It was designed with the event planner in mind, but seriously, it would work for anyone in any level, in any area of life. If you are a mom or if you are any type of professional, this planner will definitely assist you. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it, it will be available on my website. Thank you guys so much again for all of your continuous support, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.